How to fix iPhone stuck on low battery screen. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guided studio. And if your iPhone is actually stuck on the low battery screen while it's charging or doing other things, then don't be panic. Here in this video I'll show you two different easy ways of how you can fix the problem. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you can do, you can force restart your iPhone while charging. You just go ahead and connect your charger and then simply go ahead and press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, release the button and this will actually restart your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely the problem is going to be solved. But if you encountered you are still have the same problem after doing this process, then you just need to check out your charging adapter and cable. Make sure to use the authentic charging adapter and cable from the Apple, because sometimes if your charging adapter or cable are faulty, then you might have this kind of problem. So either you can change your charging adapter or cable, or try charging your iPhone with a different charger. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your iPhone will start working. But let's say you did everything but you're still having the same problem over and over again, you can try cleaning your charging port and adapter. You can take a soft brush and gently clean the charging port, and right after that try charging your iPhone again, and hopefully one of this process will fix your iPhone is actually stuck on the low battery screen. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.